Hello, I would first off like to introduce myself. I am Gabriella Darling and I will be discussing my plans for my final portfolio for the English 112 course that I am taking with Professor Eric Martinez. The first thing that I plan to do is gather all my materials that I would like to place in the website and categorize them by what they truly are. For example, all the assignments that I had completed last semester in English 111 will be placed in the tab labeled English 111. And all the documents that are examples of student learning outcomes will be placed in the SLO tab. Once I have gathered all the materials that I would like to be present in my portfolio, I will insert the portfolio with highlighted sections that summarize the overall assignment's purpose for the assignment. After the highlighted sections are noticeable, I will then write a brief explanation of what the assignment is and why there are highlighted sections to begin with. The second topic that I would like to focus on in my final portfolio would be to look at my portfolio in the eyes of my audience, so that I am able to make the website neat and easy to navigate. To make sure that the font size is easy to read and the color is not distracting from the content that is displayed, I will adjust the font to be bigger than it would be in a Word document, due to the fact that nobody will want to have to squint in order to see what I have said. Once I believe that the portfolio is easy to navigate, I will then set the viewer in an actual website layout, so that way I can truly assess the overall website. Another aspect I would like to accomplish for my final project is to make sure all grammar and punctuation are correct. I will check all the spelling and punctuation by reading over all the sentences and paragraphs that are present in the website. Another way I could check if everything is correct is by having someone else look over all my work that I have finished. Once I believe that all the mistakes that I have made are resolved, I will then finally post all the videos and podcasts in their designated areas. I will do so by inserting the link into Google Sites and pasting it upon the website. It will then pop up as a YouTube video that you can watch directly from the final portfolio. Once I have completed all of these tasks, I believe that I will have a great final portfolio that is filled with all the work that I have completed over the couple of semesters. Thank you so much for listening.